It is really important to evaluate yourself in the right manner. Let me tell you why. Now, us traders, we tend to evaluate ourselves based on profit and loss and percentage increase of our account. And sure, we all trade to make profit and that's the end goal. However, should profit be the only focus? Well, I personally believe that profit is a byproduct of our trading processes, right? So if you have control over your processes, so why not focus on what is actually controllable? Right? So here are a few questions that will help you evaluate yourself objectively and in the right way so that you can actually have something to compare and actually improve on, right? So at the end of the trading day, ask yourself if you adapted well today to the changing markets and if you found new setups. Did you manage your risk correctly? Did you execute on all your setups that are fully according to your plan? Did you maintain laser focus today? Right? So evaluate yourself on your processes and then your trading will automatically improve and profits will also flow.